to the very first video of my channel. That's right, first ever video. Today I'm going to review this brand new box here from Thermaltake. I purchased this just the other day and it's just rocked in. Thought, why not? Let's open it up, take a look, see what we got. Throw it out there. Not sponsored. My own hard-earned money. So here we are, a beautiful looking box. Very nice finish, got matte finish to it. Quite a solid box, quite heavy. Obviously, it's got the products pictured on the front here, as you can see. We'll open her up and see what we got. Inside we have the basically two panels showing pretty much the identical product on each panel, just laid out differently. We'll get into it now. So we've got a couple of stickies on the side here. We'll just grab the old trusty screwdriver, open her up, see what we've got in this side. Beautiful. Alright, inside we have the trusty instructions. Do we ever use them? No. Come on. Mail. Don't be silly. Anyway, inside we've got the silicone insert for obviously bending, because we have the hard tube kit here. Not much to really see. Next up we have the V-tubular PETG hard tubes, which obviously we'll be putting into the system behind me to replace the, what would you call it, the makeshift soft water tube custom loop that I made out of bits and pieces just to have a play around with, because it's custom water cooling's taken my interest by storm, as you can tell. Anyway, so the PETG tubing, it's a single pack here with 450 500mm tubes. Not much to really see there. Next up we have this didn't actually come in the box, I bought this separately but I put it in there. This is the ice blue dye for the liquid. However, I stuffed up this one and bought the UV one. I just wanted a nice blue to go into the system, but clearly I'm going to have to get a UV light and do something with that. So obviously inside this box we have 4 little bottles, obviously to colour the clear dye, clear liquid that you get with the box. Put that one over there. Some nice foam packaging, beautiful. Alrighty, what else we got? This also was not included with the box, but it's a flow meter. Picked this up when I picked up the box from the shop. They said, do we want to buy one? Got one out of the box, never been used. Got it cheap, so rather than pay full tote odds, got it cheap. And these are the fittings that actually come with the box. Just wanted to make sure they were the right ones. So as you can see, nice chrome C-type Pro fittings from Thermaltake. If I make a mistake, don't burn me too much. This is all new to me, so I'm here to learn and hopefully teach you guys what not to do from my mistakes. Anyhow, so that's the flow meter. Looking forward to hooking that one up. Just your SATA power connection, pretty simple. Alrighty, we have the C1000 pure clear coolant. This has obviously all the additives added to it to put into your system, so you won't have any corrosion and galvanic corrosion and stuff like that. So it's good for copper, nickel, and all that sort of stuff. We have some more padding and the jumper. Great, we all know what that is. Next up, we have the Pacific W4 RGB CPU water block. RGB, obviously, as I said. Let's have a look, see what we've got in here. Alright. Instructions once again, but who needs instructions? Some padding. The block itself is, yeah, looks, it's huge actually. This thing is like, I'm not a small guy, and That's massive. But anyway, just a bit of a more close-up view of it. As you can see, you got the intake and the outtake and RGB. Comes with the controller. Very handy. The mounting equipment, so you can put this, you can mount this to a Intel or AMD. Everything you need in the actual kit, which is good. Put that there. Put that back in there. Looking forward to setting this bad boy up and seeing how we go. Should look good. First ever hard tube water cooled setup. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. Next on the list, put that down here. Next on the list we have the 3-pack of fans. The fans that obviously come with the kit itself. So these are the ring fans, not the actual full bladed LED fans. So there's a nice LED that goes around on the outside. Would prefer to have the full fans LED, like what's in the kit. Comes with the Thermaltake View 37 RGB, but beggars can't be choosers, and I don't have enough money to replace them. So we've got what we've got. These are obviously high static radiator fans. Pretty much what you see is what you get. Do I need to open them up? I don't think so. Next on the next out of the box we have the radiator itself. So we've got the 360 version here to chuck in my case, obviously behind me. We'll see what this bad boy is. Quite a big box for a radiator, but anyway, let's have a look. See what we got here. Oh. So being the first time for myself with you know, some pretty high-end, decent equipment. Not used to seeing this sort of quality. So as you can see, this is quite a big, fat radiator. Hopefully this should do an amazing job of cooling my CPU and also my GPU. So I wasn't going to put a water block on the GPU, but decided why not? Let's go all out. So just waiting on that one to come in the mail, and then I'll do a bit of an unboxing on that one as well. So obviously you got the intake, the outtakes either side, and the bleed valve, drain valve on the bottom. So nice and easy. Which reminds me, I'll have to buy a fitting for that so I can drain it before I put it in. Don't want to do that. We have all the C Pro fittings from Thermaltake. As you can see, that's them here on this bad boy. So just a nice compression fitting, nice chrome finish with the insert. Very nicely done. The O-rings on both sides, which is really good. They come obviously with the kit, so there's enough in there to basically go from the radiator to the pump to the block, CPU block. So I've had to purchase a few extra fittings to go onto the GPU and obviously the drain valve. So that's that. Looking alright though. Look very good, very heavy. I wasn't expecting. I didn't realise how big they were. I was, you know, just playing with this, you know, makeshift system that I put together, and when these came along, I was like, wow, nice stuff. And last but not least, obviously the hardest system. Good quality glue right there. Anyhow, there goes that box. So, last but not least, we have the pump. Quite a big pump by the looks of it. Just give this a quick open. And we'll see what we got in here. Alright. Got a couple mounting brackets. Beautiful. It's a nice powder coated, finished, non-gloss finish on that. Quite nice, feel quite sturdy. Nothing in there. So we have a bag with some cable ties, obviously screws, instructions, a couple of, I guess, vibration pads for the pump itself, and then we've got the pump. Nice looking pump, that one. Very nice, quite big. Feels very good quality. Obviously you wouldn't expect it to be a cheap brand, you know, paying the amount that you pay. Got the stop, obviously the intake. Yeah, so that's basically it for the pump and the kit itself. And then you've got a couple of obviously mounting, if you want to side mount it, but I plan on mounting this one basically in the system there, the radiator behind it, and obviously the tubing that go around it. So that's that. Let me know your thoughts on the system itself. How'd I go for the very first video? Please don't be too brutal. I plan on trying to do as much content as I can, but obviously I've got to pay for these things, and money doesn't come in that fast. But anyway, the next video hopefully will be on the GPU block itself. I'll get that hopefully in the next couple of days, and we'll pull that out and have a look at that one. And then the following video should be pulling this apart and replacing it with what you see before you and in the video. So thank you very much, guys. Appreciate you watching, taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to making some more. And please leave a comment, let me know what you think. Smash that like button, subscribe, that'd be amazing. And thank you very much. Good night.